So this is a really great hostel. I had a great night's sleep. The folks here are really kind and very attentive. I highly recommend it. And for less than $15 a night, it is primo and a very short walk to most of the really great sites and a really good beer garden. All right, here's my room review at the Backpacker Hostal. Spelled with an A like I like to spell it. And here's my wonderful room. Forgot to turn on the light in the bedroom. There's my awesome bed. And you can tell I'm traveling really light with just my Watershed bag. And the bathroom looks really nice. There's actually a toilet seat and even toilet paper and soap. And my favorite hot water source, the suicide shower. Those are the best. They seldom fail until they get old. A little bit of artwork in here. Got a TV set and remote. There's my key. There's Courtyard. Some tables for eating. There's all sorts of memorabilia about. It's really a pretty chill place. And another Courtyard out back. But that's not important right now. So I think I'm really going to like this place. It's very nice. And the people are really kind. They let me in at 2 p.m. right when they start check-in. It's quick and easy. Total cost of this day for one night, $14 and 49 cents. $14.49. I started to say Courtyard. You know, I've been here a while.